Why you're always bloated. 7 hidden gut triggers you're eating healthy. Drinking water. Still bloated? These 7 sneaky triggers are wrecking your digestion, and no one's talking about them. Let's fix your belly for good. Why most bloating advice doesn't work. If you've been told to just drink more water or chew slower, but you're still bloated, the real cause is deeper. Bloating isn't just gas. It's often low stomach acid inflammation, enzyme deficiency, or bacteria in the wrong place. Let's uncover the root. Trigger 1. Low stomach acid. You need stomach acid to digest protein, absorb minerals, and kill bad bacteria. When acid is low, food ferments, bacteria grow, and gas builds up. This is one of the most overlooked causes of bloating. Try a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar before meals, or betaine HCl if appropriate. Acid is not the enemy. It's your digestive ignition switch. Trigger 2. Stress and nervous system imbalance. If you eat while anxious, rushing, or distracted, digestion shuts down. Your body only digests in rest and digest mode, not in fight or flight. Stress reduces enzyme output, slows motility, and causes food to sit and ferment. Deep breathing before meals, eating slowly, and creating a calm environment can reboot your gut. Trigger 3. Gut dysbiosis or SIBO. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO, means there are too many bacteria in the wrong place. They feed on your food, especially healthy ones like garlic, onions, and legumes, and produce gas fast. If you bloat within 30 to 60 minutes after meals, it's a major red flag for SIBO or dysbiosis. Ask your doctor for a SIBO breath test, or try a low FODMAP protocol short term. Trigger 4. Seed oils and ultra-processed foods. Canola, soy, corn, sunflower. These oils are everywhere. They're cheap, inflammatory, and damage the gut lining. Ultra-processed snacks, dressings, and even health bars are filled with gut disruptors. Over time, they trigger bloating, brain fog, and immune overactivation. Ditch the seed oils. Stick to olive oil, ghee, coconut, or avocado oil for healing. Trigger 5. Food sensitivities. It's not just gluten and dairy. Even healthy foods like eggs, oats, almonds, or nightshades can cause inflammation in sensitive guts. If you're bloated, gassy, or uncomfortable after meals, track your symptoms. Try a short-term elimination diet, then reintroduce foods one by one. Test. Don't guess. Trigger 6. Low digestive enzymes. If your pancreas isn't making enough enzymes, fats and proteins sit undigested and cause bloating, reflux, or discomfort. Signs of enzyme deficiency include bloating after high-fat or high-protein meals, floating stools. On digestive food and stool, try a broad-spectrum enzyme with lipase, protease, and amylase with your largest meals. Trigger 7. Eating while distracted. Phones, laptops, TV, they all shut down digestion. When you eat in a distracted state, your brain never tells your gut to get to work. That means less saliva, fewer enzymes, poor chewing, more bloating. Turn off the screen. Chew slowly. Taste your food. You'll digest better and feel lighter. Final recap. 7 hidden gut triggers causing your bloating. Low stomach acid, stress during meals, gut dysbiosis or SIBO. Inflammatory seed oils, food sensitivities, enzyme deficiency, mindless eating your solution. Test for SIBO, eliminate inflammatory foods. Support stomach acid and enzymes, calm your nervous system, eat with intention you don't need. It's Alive Bloated. Subscribe to Healing Paradigm and tap the bell to watch the next video. Why your poop holds the secret to your health. 5 things your stool says about your gut. Healing starts at the root, and it starts today.